Hey everyone, I'm Sagar and today we are going to learn how to make different patterns using Scratch. So let's get ready.
So let's open the Scratch. If you have not downloaded it, you can download it from the Google. And as I said, today we are going to make a pattern. Let's see an example how it will be. How many repetitions it will ask. I will just say 9 and okay. So it will create a pattern using the hexagon, polygon or square or triangle. So let's minimize this. Now I'm going to start from the beginning. So I will click on the new project. Let's make a sprite. So I will go to the sprite options. Here you will get the sprite options, but we are not going to choose anyone. We'll go to the paint and we'll create a small dot so that it will not disturb us. That dot size you can see it here. Let's make it circle. Yeah, it's in circle now. Let's reduce its size by going to the size tab so that our pattern will look good. Instead of 100 we'll make it 50 so the size will be smaller. Yeah. Now, sure, one more thing we have to keep in mind that our sprite should be into the center. So X and Y position we have to give 0. So I will go to the X position and I will make it 0, Y position also 0. So now our sprite is into the center of the stage. Now we are ready to give the code. Code is very simple. So we'll go to the first of all we have to add the extension of the pane. So you have to click on the extension button. If you click on that, you will get so many extensions. Let me show you. I will click on the extension button and here you will get the extension like pane draw with your sprites. You have to just click on this. One thing you have to keep in mind that while adding extensions, your system, computer or laptop, it should be connected to the network, internet. We'll take a green flag and we have to give the code. So we'll take a green flag and now the code is what should happen if I will click the green flag. It's very simple. We'll first go to the pane and we'll take erase all. Whatever is written there first, that should be erased. Then we'll take the pen color and the pen size. So we'll take set pen color 2 and set pen size 2. Size we'll take 3. Color we can take any. Let's take today a red color. This much red is enough, I think. So red color we have taken. Now you have to use pen down whenever you are ready for that. So I will take pen down and this one we are going to repeat. So we'll go to the controls and we'll take repeat command from the control. Now we have to go to the motions. We'll go to the motions and we'll use move 10 steps, turn 15 degrees in clockwise. We are going to change the numbers, whatever numbers are there already. Let's give 80 steps, turn 90 degrees because we are going to make a square. So it has all the angles in a 90-degree. So we'll attach it here. A square has 4 sides. So because of that we have to change this number. So we'll make it 4. It should be repeated 4 times. So I will go inside of this and I will write it 4. Now let's run the code. See, a square is drawn here. Now imagine if I will draw 4 more squares here. Here is one, here is one, and we'll set the angle for that and it will create a pattern. So like that we can create the squares. For that we need to just give some more commands. Let's say we'll ask the question. We'll go to the sensing and we'll ask the question. So we'll go to what's your name and weight. We'll take this question and instead of name, we'll write how many repetitions. How many repetitions means how many squares you want in one pattern. So that's the question, how many repetitions, and it will wait for the answer. Now we'll create a variable, let's say repeat for repetitions. Now we'll go to the variables and we'll take set my variable. We'll click inside and we'll take a repeat, the variable which we have created, and it should not be visible on the screen. So we'll uncheck the box here. If it is checked, you can uncheck it. Now we'll go to the sensing, and from the sensing you have to take answer and set here. So whatever answer you will give, that will be stored into the repeat. Now we'll go to the control and we'll take again for a repeat tab and we'll put it into on this. Here instead of 10, we'll fill repeat. So whatever repetitions you want, square, that will be here. Now one more thing you have to do here. These squares, it should be turned. So we have to set the degree. So we'll go to motion and we'll take turn clockwise, and this clockwise turn you have to add it here after the first repetitions. This inside whatever number is there that you delete, we have to go to the operators and we are going to use divide. Let's say we are going to say 360 because pattern means actually we are completing the things from this side to that side. It's like a circle. So we'll divide 360 by the number of the repetitions. So go to the variables, take the repeat tab, and whatever degree you will get, turn, and whatever degree will get, according to that it will turn clockwise. So let's run the code and see what happens. It's asking how many repetitions. I will say 5. See, 5 squares, and using that it has done a beautiful pattern. We'll run it once again. It's asking how many repetitions. This time we'll give, let's say 60, or we'll reduce that, it will be too many. Let's give 24 repetitions. And now it has used 24 squares and another beautiful pattern is there. We can change the colors, we can change the shapes. Instead of squares, we can use triangle, polygon, hexagon, that depends upon you. I hope you liked it and it's very easy to do it.